Hello everyone, this is Tana. I thought I would do a quick video on kind of what I'm doing with this design. I'm going to be starting to do some shows and stuff along closer to Christmas this year, and I need to start building up inventory because it takes time to build some stuff up. And I love this design. There is a whole set that's from Ace Points, and I want to stitch this in a single color, like on a black tea towel. And it'll probably either be like a pearl or a silver or ultra bright white, not sure, maybe even just like a solid red or something. But I want it one color. I will have more detailed designs and stuff that I'll do on the 6 needle, but I'm going to use my Singer a little bit, and designs like this are perfect for that machine. The two machines are in different parts of my house, so I don't necessarily want to have to run up here and send the block to the machine all the time. So with this one, since I am going to make it one color, I figured I would show you how I do this in case you want to do something like this yourself. So I'm going to take it into Embird editor, and I'll turn on 3D because I don't like the way it looks the other way. So it's a pretty design, but I can go up here to the color, or whichever color, I mean it doesn't really matter, and I'm going to do a change color and then set all colors to this one, so automatically you have the design in one color. And of course, it doesn't go through and redigitize everything so that it runs flawlessly. There'll still be the normal jump stitches that you would have to trim if your machine doesn't trim. But that is a very quick way to turn a multicolor design into a single color that you can stitch out. Short and sweet this morning. Hope you learned something, and we will talk to you later. Bye.